class. Welcome to our first day of instruction using Google Slides. If any of you are familiar with Microsoft Office PowerPoint, this will be very similar, only we'll have the qualities of Google Docs, that is, sharing and collaborating. Okay, let's get to work. The first thing we will want to do is access our Google Drive account. Click on the icon denoting slides. It should be the mustard colored icon located in this drop-down box. Upon clicking on this new Slides icon, Google will open up a new Slides project for you in a new tab of your browser. Within 3 seconds, by default, a Choose a Theme dialog box will appear. At this moment, we are not concerned with the Themes section, so X out of this menu. The current title of the slideshow is Untitled Presentation. Just like in Google Docs, hover your cursor over the Untitled Presentation area. It will receive a grayed out appearance. Click on it. Then rename your presentation. Now let's type in a title on the first slide, and instead of a subtitle, we'll put our name in there. Pick any title you can think of, or make something up. With the cursor in the subtitle box and the box selected, notice the lower menu bar. It is all about being able to do something to the selected area of the slide. Now move the cursor out of the title box area and click it. Once the area is deselected, something happens to that menu area. What is the difference in the two menu bars? Yes, when something is selected, the menu dictates what we can do. So when we deselect the text box, we have defaulted to the presentation of the slide itself. Now consider our slide again. It has a plain white background. Is this aesthetically pleasing? We should probably add some color and design to it. Remember the Themes pane that we X'd out of earlier? We are now going to bring it back up. Click in the Themes section and voila, the Themes selection box reappears. Notice the plain white theme is bordered in blue. Why is that? Yes, because that is the one that is currently selected in our project. Let's scroll the slider down to look at different canned templates to choose from. We should see what our title page looks like after I select this template. Wow, this sure is bright. What do you all think about this for a slide theme? But more to the point, do you think the makeup of the color scheme goes with the topic of this title? No, I don't think so either. The title and the name of the author would kind of dictate a somber or earthly type of background. So let's choose a theme, one more appropriate or fitting. Going back to the theme selection area, let's take a look at two different themes. I like this. The font is pretty good and the colors are earthy, coarse, and rugged. Let's see another. I don't really care for the red streak, but the color scheme kind of looks like the uniforms the Patriots wore during the Revolution, so I'd be inclined to go with this for a theme. Adding slides will be something new for you. Look to the far left of the lower menu bar. I want us to pay particular attention to this menu box with the plus sign on it, just above the thumbnail of the title slide. If we click on the plus sign, we will get a new slide. However, the default might not be what we want. So instead of clicking on the plus sign, let's click on the down arrowhead. But before you click, notice that when we hover over the arrowhead, a small text box appears and reads New Slide with Layout. All we have to do to use one of these attributes is click on it. It will then populate the thumbnail area as well as the working canvas. Just to check, we will click on the slide Title and 2 columns. Notice how the new slide comes up on the canvas and the thumbnail populates below the last slide that was selected. This will be significant because we might want the new slide in a particular place. Don't worry though, we can still move the slide order later. For the remaining time of this tutorial, we are going to accomplish two more tasks. First, we need to know how to delete a slide that is no longer needed. Secondly, we need to know how to rearrange the order of the slides, as sometimes we will change our minds as to content and composition. There are 3, maybe more, ways to get rid of an unwanted slide. We will strive for the easiest way and talk about the others later. I have populated the slideshow with several slides to demonstrate. To delete, select a slide and make sure it is highlighted with a blue border. Right-click on that slide and out of the drop-down box, click Delete. Once the Delete Slide function is clicked, all the thumbnails below this slide move up. Now to rearrange the slides to a different order. First, we will select a slide to move. Left-click and hold, then move the cursor to where the new location is desired, and then release the left-click action of the mouse. Now for the next 15 minutes, I would like everyone to build a slideshow, minimum of 10 slides, and put some titles and information into each slide. After that, we will share some interesting compositions.